Good morning, guys. It's raining here in Bergamo and I'm boarding destination Warsaw. Let's go.
For today, thank you for
This place was almost completely destroyed during World War II and today we only have 5 hours to explore it. This is the Sigismund column and it's right in the middle of the square of the old town of Warsaw. King Sigismund III moved the capital from Krakow to Warsaw in the 1596, not because Krakow was bad, but because Warsaw was politically and geographically more central. At that time, Poland and Lithuania were united in a huge commonwealth. Warsaw was near Lithuania, so it made more sense geographically. Now let's enter here to see if we can buy some souvenirs. I bought this one for 20 PLN, that are a little more than $5 US. Eating McDonald's in Warsaw was not really the best idea, but we are happy even with McDonald's. This is the royal castle. This used to be the home of Polish kings and later the political heart of the country. It's really massive. It's possible to enter this castle and to go in a little square. I'm right in front of the Barbican of Warsaw, and this was a really important part of the medieval defense of Warsaw. This Barbican is like a labyrinth. I just went to the bank and I took some banknotes and some coins of the Poland currency. The Poland currency is the zloty, and these are some banknotes, and then there is also the banknote of 200 zloty and 500. Particular statue. I can't even think that all this city was rebuilt from zero, brick to brick. It's really difficult to believe.
Alright, I almost forgot to tell you what happened here. We need to go back to the 1944 during World War II, when Warsaw was occupied by Nazi Germany. That year the Polish resistance launched the Warsaw Uprising, trying to take back the city before the Soviets arrived. But after months of fighting, the uprising failed. Thousands of people were killed and the Nazis began systematically destroying the city. Entire streets, churches, monuments and buildings were blown up on purpose. By the end of the war, around 85% of Warsaw had been destroyed. The old town basically no longer existed, but after the war, the people of Poland rebuilt the city almost entirely from scratch, brick by brick, and that's why today everything feels old, but actually isn't.
These are medieval walls and these ones protected all the old town. And this one,
Okay.
I bought some cookies like this and I think it's typical of Poland. Let's try it. It's a little hard to chew, but they're really nice. And I bought also this one and its name is Kolaksie. I don't know, or I'm pretty sure that my pronunciation in Polish is wrong. It's hot and let's taste it. They're salty, but they're really nice. There are 6 flags of Poland, and why is there a flag of Turkey? And there it is, the skyline of Warsaw. On that side is the modern part of Warsaw, and on the other side is the old town. I think that this is President of Poland. Here it says Lech Kaczynski, President. In the modern side of Warsaw, I really feel to be completely in another city. I think that all these modern buildings, major of them are government buildings and things like that. It's more political, I believe. It's like being in a small New York. I've never been to New York, but I don't know, this is the feeling. Have you ever seen the McDonald's skyscraper? There's literally McDonald's.
Zejdź, kurwa, nie utrudniaj widzenia.
There's literally written McDonald's on top of the skyscraper. I never saw something like this. Do you see it? Oh my god. This building is incredible. It's amazing. And yes, you're right. It doesn't look very Polish.
And if you're into Soviet architecture or ex-Soviet history like me, you probably noticed that this building looks very similar to the famous Stalinskie Vysotki in Moscow, also known as Stalin's Seven Sisters. And that's not a coincidence. The Palace of Culture and Science was actually gifted to Poland by Stalin and the Soviet Union in the 1950s. For many people, the building became a symbol of Soviet control over Poland after World War II. Others, however, slowly started seeing it as an iconic part of Warsaw's skyline. And even today, it's still one of the most controversial buildings in the entire country. And after a 5-hour layover in Warsaw, it was already time to head back to the airport and continue the journey through Eastern Europe. 5 hours really aren't much, but I still had a great time here, and I hope to visit Poland again for more than just a layover. And if you want to see where the journey continued, check out my videos from Moldova, Transnistria and Ukraine. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next Monday from the richest country on earth.